Good morning, friends. We are welcome to the Economic and Public Policy Part 2 of the series. This is a daily ongoing current affairs series. This is very important. We have already covered few news in the Part 1 itself. Kindly have a look into it and watch it rather. And the first news is that there is a correction by Civil Aviation Minister that has set a 5-member committee to inquire into the circumstances that led to Air India Express plane crash in Kozhikode, that's in Kerala, on August 17. And they have also said that their ministry, that the experts could also take assistance from other experts. So in turn, they have taken a help from an American corporation. So this is an important news. It happened on August 7. It was a big crash, and it was unfortunate rather. And then the other news will be that digital payments are likely in India to grow threefold. That is said by 2025. It has said been a report by Red and smartphone penetration, COVID-led changes in consumer behavior has been the reason cited for the financial inclusion, and 7,092 trillion worth of rupees worth of transaction are expected by 2025, and at the compound annual growth rate of 27%. 27% is an important figure for exam perspective. And Harshvardhan Loda has been reappointed as Birla Corporation Director amid panel opposition. APL, actually Birla's went against him in the Kolkata High Court and for a resolution in the matter because he was heading two posts, but they have been appointed the board of MP Birla Group flagship company now, in spite of the opposition from APL. That is Administrator Pendenti lied against it. So Loda is the chairman of the firm now. So it was on corporation on 25th of August, and the resolution on the reappointment got carried by 97.99% votes in his favor. So it's a huge, but Kolkata, I have already covered this in earlier sections also. And ICAO, this is important news because the question will be asked: United Nations Aviation Watchdog is which of the following? ICAO will be the one of the listed abbreviations over there. So International Civil Aviation Organization will conduct an audit for India's air safety readiness in January. So it was earlier supposed to be held in November itself, but has been postponed due to obviously corona pandemic. And ICAO has carried out universal safety oversight audit program in India in November 2017, and then by second audit in February 2018, where it lowered actually the score declined from 65.82% to 57.44%. This is again very important. The next news is coming from RBI. Operation Twist is to cool yields. Bond yields fell after RBI said that they would buy and simultaneously sell. The figure is important. 20,000 crores of bond from the market in two equal tranches. One will be on 27th of August, which already happened, and on the 3rd of September. And so these are the news which is covered, and we will be covering a few more in the third part. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.